This tutorial is to show you how you can remove the file off your touchpad's boot partition that is keeping it from booting up into Android after flashing the Alpha 0.6 release of CyanogenMod 9 on your touchpad. So you're going to need two different things. The first is a ADB zipped folder and then an ADB commands text file. I'll include both of those here. And first what you'll need to start out and do is just download both of those and then go ahead and extract the files from this zipped folder here, which you can see I've already done. So go ahead into that folder and then you'll see these three different files here. What you need to do when you see these is just hold down the shift key and then right click inside this folder here and click the open command window here. So if you go ahead and click on that, it'll open up a command prompt in the folder that you're in right now, which is important for ADB to actually work. So now what you can do is go ahead and turn on your touchpad and put it into Clockwork Mod Recovery. And then once you're in Clockwork Mod, go ahead to the Mounts and Storage option. And then once you're in there, you're going to want to, the first option you'll have is Mount Boot /boot. Go ahead and select that, and then you'll see it'll change to Unmount Boot. So now we know that the boot partition is mounted. What we're going to need to do is then, using this ADB commands text file, it just made it really easy, so this way you don't have to actually type it, you can just copy and paste it. So what you can go ahead and do is copy the first one and go ahead and paste that into the command window here, and then go ahead and hit enter. What this did here was it showed you everything that's in your /boot folder basically. And the folder, or sorry, the file you're looking for, which is causing the problems, is this update -u image. And obviously you see that's not in my boot partition because I went ahead and removed this last night after I had the same issues. So if you do see this file, which you should if this is the issue you're having, go ahead and copy the second command here and then paste that into the command prompt here, and then go ahead and hit enter. You see it said for me it can't remove this file because it doesn't exist, because I already deleted it. But for you it will delete that file, and then after you've done that you can go ahead on your touchpad, go ahead and select Unmount Boot, and then go ahead and go back to the main menu, and then you're going to do the same thing over again like you did originally to install the Alpha 0.6 update from your SD card. So go ahead and flash that again and then reboot the touchpad, and you should be able to get into CyanogenMod this time. That should take care of all your issues.